Welcome to Not Another White Box, the channel that brings you all that's cool, quirky and unusual in the caravan world. My name is Cameron and today I'm bringing you a really quick whistle-stop tour of what has to be one of my favourite caravan designs of all time that's finally coming to the UK. This is the Beauer 3X, and it may look like a tiny little caravan, but it actually telescopically extends to offer you 12 metres square of living space. Let's go check it out. The Beauer 3X is built at a factory in Cholet in France. The original design first came on the scene around 2012 when designer Eric Beau built the first prototype. It garnered a lot of attention and soon other people were asking if they could buy one for themselves. After a couple of years of failing to find a subcontractor who could build them, Eric and his wife Patricia decided to open their own factory in 2017. That would turn out to be fortuitous, as the same year Beauer would take the grand first prize at France's prestigious Lépine design competition in Paris, bringing the Beauer brand to international recognition. By 2020, Beauer offered 3 different size models and a selection of innovative business concept trailers using their trademark telescopic design. In 2026, we see the most popular 3X model officially available in the UK for the first time, thanks to River Motorhomes. The Beauer can be specified more or less as you like, which I will talk about more later, but the result is that the base model starts from just £23,990. And the good figures don't stop there. The base model weighs only 950 kilograms, and the payload options take the little 3X all the way up to 1200 kilograms if you wish. The Beauer 3X first went on display at the NEC Caravan Camping and Motorhome Show in February 2026, but due to its late inclusion, it was placed outside the main halls. So we're going to take you on a quick tour, but have plans to feature a much more in-depth tour of the Beauer later this year, so please do subscribe to this YouTube channel to be notified when that goes live. So it's built on an Outtro chassis. It has a fully polyester body shell that's fully insulated as well. There's actually a 15-year water ingress warranty on that body shell too. And I've just been told that the telescopic rams that operate this actually have a lifetime guarantee. They are made by a French company who make them for hospital beds, so they obviously can withstand a lot of use, and the Caravan is fitted with those. So actually, if you buy one of these, you've got complete peace of mind that it's going to last a long time. You can customize it to whatever spec you want, which we're going to talk about inside, but also it's something that's really built to last. Let's go take a look inside and show you around the Beauer 3X. This is just the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's absolutely amazing. It's such a funky space with the big curves of the whole structure of the Beauer. It's just incredible, but actually what I'm really struck by is how well the layout works. You walk straight into the kitchen, which is the heart of the home, which of course in a house, that's how it is. But in a caravan, the kitchen is always off to one side, but you come straight into the kitchen space. And we've got the sink on the end here. We've got an induction hob here, and it even comes with a compressor fridge as standard, which so few caravans come with a compressor fridge. That is a much better premium fitting that has the capability of being running from the leisure battery or mains electric without using gas. So this particular one on display is gas free. We've got the induction hob as I mentioned, and the electric and heating, but the beauty of the Beauer is that you can completely spec them how you want them to be. So if you want a gas cooker, you can have one. If you want an electric cooker instead of an induction one, you can have one. There's almost too many options, and you can make it exactly how you want it to be, which you don't see that much with caravan design. So it's interesting that Beauer are clearly intending to build a caravan that will last you a long time. In the center of the Beauer is the washroom, and this is the part of the caravan that is permanently assembled, and it's really smart how they've obviously put the bedroom and the seating area, which can both fold up at the ends, and in the center we've got the kitchen and the washroom area. So although this looks like a door on this side, it just opens up to close this space off to the bedroom, and then this door will open up that way to create a one-piece washroom space, and the floor section lifts up to reveal the shower tray. Yes, they've even squeezed a shower in here, as well as the fitted toilet, as well as the sink area. I just cannot believe how much they've squeezed into such a tiny space. It's incredible. The entire end of the Beauer is a huge bedroom area. I mean, I don't have the exact spec size of the bed to hand, but it feels absolutely enormous. So you've got to imagine, and this is something that we can't really film, but as the Caravan comes together telescopically, this whole bed section will lift up into the wall, and these two tracks either side of the window are what the base of the bed is attached to allow it to move up as it all moves in. It's so clever, it's just unbelievable. But like I just said in the kitchen, the fact that it's got this beautiful curved shape and all the lighting that goes all the way around makes this such a cool place to be. And there's just not a Caravan on the market that offers a design like this. It's absolutely incredible, and as I'm looking around, I just can't take it all in. It's absolutely fabulous. I do think slight compromise of the design is obviously the bed being on its side and you're not able to walk all the way around it, and the gaps here are obviously to help with when it folds from the outside. So you know, there are some compromises, but it's amazing how few there are in such a compact design, and it just works so well. Finishing up in the lounge, and actually as lounges go in caravans, it's a really pleasant place to be. This huge sort of half U-shape arrangement. There is obviously a big table, freestanding table, that will sit here as well, but this huge lounge arrangement just means that you can have everyone over for dinner, you can invite your family over, your friends, and they can all sit in this cool hangout. And the kitchen, whoever's cooking, is involved in the guest space as well. I'm also told that this area does actually fold into a bed, so it is actually a 4-berth. And there's loads of space, and you could quite happily have 2 of you in the bedroom at the end and 2 of you up here, and you can both still access the washroom at night. And I'm struggling to find the words to describe just how awesome this space is. It works so well, and everywhere you look there's little details that are impressive, such as the extra storage lockers which are shaped to the roof. And I've just spotted as I'm talking, there isn't a freestanding table. The table folds up from the side of the kitchen and underneath it there's tons of storage as well. So Beauer have literally thought of everything with this design, and I think I'm going to go out on a limb here and say this might be one of the best caravans I have seen this decade. It's so seriously impressive, and if you ever see it at the show or you want to check it out at River Motorhomes, make a point of going to see it, because as a design, if you're someone who loves caravan design or just design in general, it's such a fascinating concept. And unlike design concepts which tend to be a bit experimental and quirky, this genuinely works and it fits together so seamlessly. It's such a fantastic concept, and I think I won over. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this quick video. We're going to go carry on taking a look around the NEC now, but by all means check out Beauer online, check out River Motorhomes, and if you're at the show this week, do not miss these outside the main entrance.